For nearly 4 decades, Advanced Training Systems, or ATS, has led the military and law enforcement field with highly innovative firearms training products. ATS is the oldest independent manufacturer of shooting range equipment in the United States. We have earned a reputation of excellence. ATS is known nationwide for its innovative, high-quality, robust, and durable products. Our technology and innovation has often been copied, but never duplicated. Quality and service must go hand in hand with innovation. ATS is proud of the long-standing relationships it has established and maintained throughout the industry. In a moment, you'll have the opportunity to see brief overviews of our innovative products. Advanced Training Systems, the spirit of innovation. Working on changing the future by providing excellence in training.